What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Blooka video. And today we are going to be doing day 2 of opening 1,000 tokens in total of the Blizzard Pack. So we have 519 on my home account, and I have another account, my alt account, and we're gonna have like 530 on. So we're gonna spend everything on the Blizzard Pack. Day 2. Ooh, I was about to say we are done with the pack, but then we got an epic. So let's go. 84. Chocolate, reindeer, stocking. And that is the end of that opening. Let's go ahead. Let's head over. Okay, so we have 544 tokens on our alt account. Let's go ahead and do a little opening. Nothing on this account. Yeah, that was pretty sad. That was very sad. I'm not sure it could have gone worse. That couldn't have gone worse. All right. Anyways, that's gonna be